Yes, so good afternoon, everyone. Am I perfectly audible? Can anyone confirm, please? Oh, so nice. So, thank you for your confirmation. Yeah, great. Okay, so we'll start by within a 5 minutes because still students are joining and your star class strength is very huge. So, we just wait for the 2 or 3 minutes. So, after that, we'll proceed to the lecture and the orientation of the subject. Yeah, nice. Yes. Meanwhile, I request everyone that please start your camera because on the orientation day we will play one simple and very sweet game. So I request all of you that please start your camera. Don't hesitate because even more my camera is started here, so I can identify everyone and I can recognize all of you. So I request again, if your camera is not started, and I am also not responsible to give you attendance as per the university norms. So please start your camera. Yeah, fine. I think almost more than 80% of the class is here. But my instruction is still not clear for you because still all of you is not started your camera. કદાચ ઇંગ્લિશ ના આવડતું હોય તો મને ગુજરાતી પણ આવડે છે, તો કેમેરો સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાની મેં બધાને રિક્વેસ્ટ કરી છે, એઝ વેલ એઝ आई नो द हिंदी. सबको मैंने बोला है कि कैमरा स्टार्ट करिए कीजिए, तो आइडेंटिफाई हो गए. मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन डेफिनेटली मैं देने वाला हूँ, एज वेल एज आपका इंट्रोडक्शन भी मैं लेने वाला हूँ, तो मुझे पता चले कि आप कहाँ से है, व्हाट इज योर पोजीशन, व्हाट इज योर नॉलेज, and we can get in touch with the better relationship. સબ્જેક્ટ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ બનશે, બરોબર છે? તો જેન્યુઅન રિક્વેસ્ટ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં નહીં કરાવીએ, બટ સ્ટાર્ટિંગ ઓરિએન્ટેશન ડે છે તો સમજી શકો છો કે તમે કેમેરો સ્ટાર્ટ કરશો. Okay, fine. So first of all, my name is Kishan Bhimani. I am working in the Information and Communication Technology Department in the Marwad University. And if I tell you about my previous education history and log, I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science from the Gujarat Technological University. Afterwards, I have a dual degree in the Automation Engineering. One is from the VIT Vellore. I think most of you are familiar about the VIT. VIT is the well-known and reputed university in the India. So I have completed my first year in the VIT, and then after I gained the gold medal in the VIT in the first year. That's why they sent me into the Russian university. So I completed my second year in the St. Petersburg Electrotechnical University, that is located in St. Petersburg, one of the most well-known city of Russia. And then after I work as a researcher and scientist in Russia. Afterwards, I have academic experience in the Marwad University. So my general experiences lies in the analog electronics, basic electronics, digital electronics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So I'm covering the electronics part as well as the machine learning. So our main subject today is the digital electronics. So before going to start this subject, let me clear that you people studies the basic electronics engineering. आपने पढ़ा है बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग फर्स्ट सेम में, आया था नहीं आया है, जो भी है, तो उस हिसाब से मैं पढ़ा हुआ गया है. माइक चालू करवानी छूट છે, डोंट हेजिटेट टू स्टार्ट योर माइक बिकॉज आई एम बिलीविंग इन कन्वर्सेशन. જેટલી વાતો વધારે એટલી મજા વધારે. राइट जीत मिश्रा, सही पकड़ा ना मैंने?
यस सर.
तो बेसिक्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग आपने पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा है?
Yes.
पढ़ा है सर.
पढ़ा है. कौन पढ़ा रहा था?
सुनील लावड़िया सर.
Oh, so you people are lucky. Great, so nice. So we'll cover up the part 2, that is the digital part. Actually, electronics has a two side. One is the analog component and second is the digital component. So in semester 1, Sunil sir, I think finished all the part of the analog side. In second semester, we'll cover up the digital part. So before going to start the assessment scheme, syllabus and everything, I need the basic introduction about you. So we'll start by the enrollment number. In the introduction, you can say your name, then where are you from, like your native place, then what is your percentage in 12th science, and just a minute. Yeah, so in introduction part, I would like to familiar with your name, then after your previous school, your native place, and what is your percentage in 12th science. So we'll start with the Jaideep Singh Jadhav. Jaideep, you can start. 87.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. My name is Jaideep Sijadav.
Right.
I am from Surendranagar.
Right.
My percentage of 12 science is 79.
Nice. And what is your future goal?
Yes, sir. What, sir?
Future goal.
To become a software developer.
So nice, great. Now let's move forward with the Prince Asodaria, roll number 88. Yes, Prince, you can start.
Yes, sir.
You have a network issue, that's why your voice is lagging. Yeah, please, Prince. Okay, no worries. We'll move forward with the roll number 89, Rahul Hora. Rahul, are you there? Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
My name is Rahul Vora.
Mm-hmm.
My 12th percentage is 78.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Next one is for the 91, Harsil. Harsil, it's on you.
Hello, sir. My name is Arshil Kumar Kalaria. I am from Movia. My 12th percentage is 83.
83, nice. And what is your long-term goal?
My goal is become good software engineer.
Great. Then after next one is for the 93, Urvisha.
Hello, sir. My name is Urvisha Rayani. I'm from Gondal, and in science, I'm in Gangotri School at Gondal, and I got 96 PR in 12th science.
So great. And what is your long-term goal?
Software engineer.
Great. Okay, and then after we will move forward with roll number 95, Lipsa. Lipsa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
My name is Lipsa Faldu. I am from Rajkot.
Mm-hmm.
And I got 75% in my 12th.
Great.
And my goal is I want to become software developer.
So nice. Okay. Next one is for 97, Karan. Karan, are you there? Mr. Karan. No problem, because Arjun is not there, so no need to worry. Next one is for 98, Arsit. Yeah, Karan.
Yes, sir. My name is Makari Arshit.
Okay.
I am from Bhayodar.
Bhayodar.
12th science.
Mm-hmm.
My 12th science PR is 17.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what is your long-term goal?
Software engineer.
Yes, so nice. Then after, let me move forward with the roll number 101, Gami Miraj. Miraj, are you there? Can you able to hear me? We will wait for the Miraj. Maybe I might not be audible for him or her. Fine, no problem. Then after roll number 103, Ashish Kumar. Ashish.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes,
My name is
afternoon.
Ashish Kumar Mishra.
Mm-hmm.
I am from Jamnagar. I completed my 12th from KV number 3 FOs to Jamnagar, and I got
Okay.
75%.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to be a web developer.
Nice. So your father is working in Air Force Station as Jamnagar?
No, sir. My father is working in Reliance.
Okay, great. Then after next one is for 105, Aditya. Aditya, are you there? Okay, network issue. Then after 107, Subham, please.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. My name is Solanki Subham, and I got 63 percentage in 12th, and I have completed my 12th from the School of Science. And in future, I want to do my own startup.
Great. Legendary task. Then after roll number 109, Nandan. Nandan, are you there?
Yes, sir. My name
Yeah,
is
please.
Nandan Mendavna. I am from Rajkot only. My past school is RKC, and my long-term goal is to start my own startup that is related to tech only. That's it, sir.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Nandan. Then after roll number 114, Harsh. Harsh, are you there? Yeah, Harsh bhai, please. Harsh Oshoya. No issue. Then after roll number 125, Vishnu Hirani. Vishnu.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
My name is Vishnu Irani. I am from Kutch. I got 60% in 12th. My long-term goal is be a hacker.
Wow. So definitely I will take your help. Okay.
Sure,
Then
sir.
after roll number 128, Janice Dadania.
Hello, sir. My name is Janesh Dadania. I am from Jamnagar. I had completed my 12th science from Kendi Vidyalaya NS Valsura and I got 85%. And my future goal is to be a good software engineer.
I am also from Jamnagar. It's nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah. Then after roll number, I think 128 complete, right? Yeah. 133. Vekaria Jay. Jay. Jay, are you there? Okay, maybe network issue for Jay. Then after 135, Cringe Vekaria.
Hello, sir. My name is Cringe Vekaria. I am from Gondal.
Okay.
My long-term goal is set up computer company.
Nice. Okay, fine. Then after roll number 138, Arshita. Arshita, are you there? One three eight, Arshita.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, afternoon.
My name is Harshita Shekhar and I am from Kutch. I got 83% in 12th and my long-term goal is to join Navy as an officer rank as a computer engineer.
Brilliant. Great job. Okay, then after roll number 141, Boda Arju.
Yes, sir. My name is Boda Arjun. I am from Kolla, near Jamnagar.
Where are you from?
Kolla.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I am from Drod. Nice.
I know, sir.
Okay. Okay,
I
carry on.
get 75% in 12th science. I want to become a teacher.
Like me. Great. Then after roll number 143, Dhirav Patel. Yes, Mr. Dhirav.
My name is Dhiro Patel. I am from Morbi. And my 12th science percentage is 76.
Okay. And what is your long-term goal, Dhirav?
Software engineer.
Okay. Yeah. So next one is for 144, Harsh Shavalia. Mr. Harsh, are you there? No worries. Then after roll number 145, Krutik. Cash. Krutik. 145. Okay, Krutik is not there. Then after we move forward with 148, Anu. Pitroda. Yeah, Om Pitroda, sorry.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
As you know, my name is Om Petroda. I passed out my 12th from Modi school. My percentage was 72.
Great. And what is your long-term
My
goal?
long-term goal is to work in Indian Administrative Services. Yeah, that's all. To work as IS officer.
Yeah, legendary. Okay, then after 149 Ranjan. 149 Ranjan.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Priyanjan. I am passed out from Adani Public School. Then I am from Kutch, and I scored 76% in CBSE board. And my long-term goal is to become the. I want to go in the merchant navy, sir. Actually,
Great.
so I want to become the captain or any post in the navy field. That's all about me.
Excellent. Okay, then after 150 Raj Mulya. Mr. Raj. Okay, I think it's not there. Raj, can you able to hear me? Okay, then after 151 Rikin. 151 Rikin. Am I audible to everyone? Can anyone confirm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Rikin
Yes, sir.
is
You are audible, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Raj. Raj, can you able to deliver your introduction? Okay, no, fine. 152 Kashish. 152 Kashish.
Afternoon, sir. My name is Kashish Delvadia. I'm from Rajkot. I scored 85% in ICSE board, and my long-term goal is to become an educator and an app developer for children with special needs.
Great job. Okay, then after next one is for 176 Thrum. 176. Fine. Then after 177 Dhiren Kanabar. 177.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dhiren Kanabar. I'm from Rajkot. I have completed my higher secondary education from Shakti School and I got 75% in boards. I have categorized my goals into two categories. Talking about my short-term goal is to acquire necessary skills that would help me in my career growth, and about my long-term goal is to start my own software company using those required skills.
Great, excellent. Then after next one is for Dars Dobaria. 112. Dars. No issue. Then after Dev Jain. 131. Dev Jain.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
I am Devjan and I am from Madhya Pradesh. And my 12th percentage is 83.6%.
Nice.
And my goal is become a web developer.
Great. Then after Dhruvin Singhara.
My name is Dhruvin Singhala. I am from Jodhpur. My 12th percentage is 70. I want to become a businessman.
Great. Nice. Deepen. 136. Okay, Deepen, maybe network issue. Gaurang Vasoya. Yes, Deepen, you can carry on.
Hello, sir. My name is Dipen Solanki. I am from Rajkot Nawagam. My 12th percentage is 75%. My future goal is become good software developer.
Great. And after Gaurang Vasoya. Gaurang.
Yes, sir. My name is Gaurang Vasoya and I am from the Ambreli.
Okay, and what is your long-term goal?
I want to become a game developer.
Nice. Then after we move forward with Harsh Karya. Harsh. Harsh Karya. Okay, fine. Then Harshdeep Patel.
Sir, my name is Harshdeep Patel. I
Okay.
am from Gandhinagar. I
Mhm.
got 70%, and my future goal is to start my own startup. I have some ideas with me, sir.
Wow, nice. Then after next one is for Het Patel 120.
Hello, sir. My name is Het Patel. I live in Rajkot only, and I was in SNK and I scored 72%. And my goal is to become a great software developer. Thank you.
Nice. Then after next one for the Jai Mirza. Jai.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
My name is Jay Mirza. I just completed my 12th science in the School of Science at Rajkot
School of Science,
with
SOS.
62%,
Mhm.
and I want to become a successful data scientist.
Nice.
Thank you.
Next one for the Jeet Misra 108.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
My name is Sheet Mishra. I complete 12th science at Product School,
Mhm.
and I have achieved 62% in 12th science, and I get 62% in 12th science, and my goal is software engineer.
Nice. And after next one for the Kishan Songara. Kishan.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
My name is Kishan Sonagra. I am from Jamnagar. I have in 12th I have 53 percentage. I want to improve my percentage in this year and
Great. This is the
future.
yeah, nice. Okay, next one is for the Mihir Savalia 126.
My name is Savalya Mihir.
Mhm.
I live in Junagadh.
Okay.
I complete my 12th science in Junagadh also. My percentage is 60.
Ravi Ajagia. Ravi. No issue. Rutvik Rathod 179. Rutvik. No worries. Smith 124. Smith, are you there? Okay. Then after 100 Urvisa.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Johan Urvisha. I am from Rajkot. I am complete my 12th science in Nakshatra Science School.
Okay.
In 12th science, my percentage is 58.
Okay.
My future goal is web development.
Nice. Then after next one for the Yansu Patel.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
My name is Yanshu Patel. I am from Rajkot itself.
Mhm.
I completed my 12th in VJ Modi School,
Okay.
and my goal is to become a professional gamer.
Nice. Now last one for the Yashoda. Yashoda Chauhan 115.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Yashoda Chauhan. I finished my 12th from the Indian school. My future goal is to become a software developer. Thank you.
Yeah, great. So you people are really target oriented. You already set up your goals. So we just need the skill up improvements and enhancement, enrich your knowledge so you can get the best company in future. And I wish that you can get the MNCs in your career. So all the best for your career. But for that we need to learn the digital electronics, because in the interview they will ask you not only the software side, computer side questions. Meanwhile, they will also cover the analog part as well as the digital part. So I will be responsible for your digital electronics subject. Again, I will repeat my name. My name is Kishan and my surname is Bhimani. So let me start with the syllabus part. So let me share you. So can you able to see this? I have one PDF file. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our subject name is the
Yes, sir.
digital electronics. Yeah, great. So we'll study in semester 2 and subject code is 01 EC 0102. So ઘણા બધાને એવું છે કે છેલ્લે છેલ્લે ચેપ્ટરના નામ પણ ના આવડતા હોય કે કન્ટેન્ટ તો દૂરની વાત રહી, બટ must be remember the subject name and subject code. આટલું આવડે તો પણ અત્યાર પૂરતું ઇનફ છે. Now we'll move with the objectives. So after which is the must parameter need to learn this subject, means what will be our objective, why we need to learn this subject. So first objective, to understand the basic terminology of digital electronics concept required in analysis and design of the digital electronic circuit and system. So up to that part you I think made too many circuit, but you cover up with the only analog part. In the digital concept we will add the adder, multiplexer, demultiplexer, then after encoder, too many things, TTL logic, ECL logic. So using that devices we'll build up the circuit. So new words will come in this subject and your knowledge will be fulfilled by the analog part as well as the digital part. So after learning these two subjects, basic electronics as well as the digital electronics, your electronics knowledge will be fulfilled. Second, to understand the number system, logic gates and Boolean algebra. So do you have any idea what is the number system in the terminology of D? કોઈને ખ્યાલ છે નંબર સિસ્ટમ એટલે શું? Yes, someone write as a 10. So 10 is number system. We have too many numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, up to infinite. So આને number system કહી શકાય? Can we call this number system? Yes, you can call the number system starting from 0 up to infinite, but this number system is for the mathematics, not for the digital electronics. There are mainly 4 kind of the number system. Basically terminology ની વાત કરીએ તો 4 types of the number system is available. First one is the binary. So someone is already written in chat box that 0 1. So whenever you played the numbers with the 1 and 0, that is binary. So binary number system only convert 2 digits, 1 and 0. So you can consider 1 as a high, 0 as a low. In my language, I will consider 0 as a low, 1 as a high, 0 as a off, 1 as a on. That is binary. Second number is the octal number system. Octal means, anyone have idea what is the octal? Yes, right, 8. Someone is written as a 8. So every number system is a first of all base. 8 octal means 8 and 8 means 8 digit. So we'll start from 0 to 7. So 1 to 7 total number 7 and we are adding 0. So 7 plus 1 means 8. So any number system that contains the 8 digit. So 8 digit means starting from 0 it goes up to the 7. That is your octal number system. Third is the decimal. Decimal means, can anyone tell me what is the decimal? Yes, decimal means 10. So decimal number system is a base 10. So 10 means total 10 digits. So if I want to cover the 10 digit, I will start from the 0. First 1 to 9, that is 9. And 9 plus 1, I will write the 0. So 9 plus 1 equal to 10. That is your decimal number system. Fourth one is the hexadecimal. So anyone have idea what is the hexadecimal? You studies the binary, that is 0 and 1. Octal means 0 to 7. Decimal means 0 to 9. Hexadecimal means 16, right? So hexadecimal means is a base of 16. So we'll cover up the 15 digit plus 1. So 1 to 15 total 15. And we are adding 0. That means 15 plus 1 equal to 16. But in hexadecimal system, we will choose only one digit or one alphabet. Now 0 to 9 is completely single digit. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But after 9, that is 10. So here 2 digit is coming. 11, 2 digit. 12, 2 digit. 13, 2 digit. 14, 2 digit. 15, 2 digit. But hexadecimal system is not allowing 2 digits. So what will be the solution? In some case, you people are guessing. Suppose that x equal to y, right? Someone is written as the alphabet. So we will denote 10 equal to a, 11 equal to b, 12 equal to c, 13 equal to d, 14 equal to e, and 15 equal to f. So ultimately, we are converting two numbers into single digit or single word. So a, b, c, d, e, f. So that is up to 0 to f. Afterwards, if you want to write 16, 17, it is possible using the 10th base or 8th base. I will teach you in the next sessions. But first, you need to make sure that hexadecimal number system contain total 16 digits, starting from 0 to 9. Afterwards, 10 is equal to A, 11 equal to B, consequences like C, D, E, and F. Right? This part is clear. What is the number system? Yes or no? Total 4 number system. First one binary, second octal, third decimal, fourth hexadecimal. Now clear? Janice. Yashoda.
Yes.
Okay. Now in the second statement, to understand the number system, second is the logic gates. Can anyone tell me, do you have any little bit idea about logic gates or name of the logic gates? Do you have any familiarity? I think in 12th science, one chapter is the semiconductor. Yes, some people are writing AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate. Yes. So in the logic gates, we'll study about the various gates like AND, OR, NOT, exclusive OR, NOR, NOT, exclusive NOR. So those are the logic gates. So logic gates have a specific symbol, specific truth table, and specific logic. So we'll study practical as well as the theory part in the logic gates. And after the Boolean algebra, anyone have an idea what is the Boolean algebra? True and false, a bit true, right? True and false, right? But actually, Boolean algebra is for the simplification. Like sometimes in the digital electronics, some equations are very complex. You need to solve that. So using Boolean algebra rules, we will solve the complex equation and we'll make it very simple. So in this area, you can simplify using the K-map technique, tabular method. Too many methods are available. Yes, right. Some already people are writing the equations here. So nice. You people are really knowledgeable. Nice. Third point. To understand construction and operation of various digital circuits such as adder, subtractor, multiplexer, demultiplexer, decoder is there, encoder, flip-flop, counter, register, and memory devices. Do you have a really idea what is adder, subtractor, multiplexer, coder, flip-flop, counter, register? Have you people studied this before? Yes or no? No idea. Okay, no issue. Here I would like to give you one simple example. Suppose that at your home, you have a Wi-Fi connection like GTPL connection, Geo connection, or Techme2 connection, Airtel connection, but physical. They are service provider, company will provide you the internet connection by using the LAN connection. So directly you can't able to insert the LAN to your computer. It will not work. For that, we are using one modem. So in the modem, one is the main connection by the service provider. It may be Geo, it may be Airtel, it may be a GTPL, or it may be a BSNL. So main connection will work as an input side. In the output side, you can use the multiple laptop or PC. Like I would like to use the internet connection is my PC1, and after I would like to use a laptop for the second connection. In the third connection, I will give to my son. So using one connection, we will divide into multiple connections, connection 1, 2, and 3. So in that circuit, we are using the multiplexer or demultiplexer. We are getting only one input, but we are delivering with the multiple outputs. That is because of the multiplexer and demultiplexer. And after decoder and encoder, suppose that you are using the bike, Activa or Splendor or any sport bike. So in your vehicle, there is a one kind of the encoder. Encoder will count the total number of turns, and it will display to your speedometer indication. So whenever you are increasing the speed, at the same time you can increase your speedometer. Like you traveled 1 kilometer, then after converting some distance, it may be 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. So using encoder and decoder, you can do like that. Then after flip-flop, counter, register, and memory, all those are the simple kind of the memories. Like you want to store the 1-bit memory, for that you can use the flip-flops. Register is a bit bigger, 8-bit registration. It's not something like register you use in BEE. અવરોધ છે કોઈની ભાષામાં તમે અવરોધ કહેતા હશો. That is not one kind of register, but register will use a memory device. Fourth point, to develop the capability to simplify, analyze, design, and various digital electronic circuits. So after studying all the topic, basic terminology of digital electronics, number system, logic gates, K-map techniques, multiplexer, demultiplexer, flip-flop, counter, registers, then after you can able to build up a small project. So in the fourth topic, you can make the circuit designing using the digital electronics. Now, credit is total 4. Generally, subject is divided into multiple credits, like subject contains the 4 credits. Sometimes it contains 3 credit, 5 credit, or 1 credit. So 4 is the, I think, highest credit. So if you gain the good marks, definitely your CGPA will increase, because this subject gain the 4 credits. After learning the digital electronics, what will be the course outcome? So first, perform conversion between various number system. So here we discuss the basically 4 number system. First is the binary, second is the octal, third decimal, fourth is the hexadecimal. So using one system, you can go to the another number system. Suppose that I have a binary number that is 0101. So using 0101, you can able to convert into octal. You can convert this number into decimal. You can convert into hexadecimal. Vice versa, you can convert reverse engineering, like hexadecimal to octal, hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to decimal, decimal to another system. So main outcome is to convert the number system from one system to another system. Second, apply knowledge of Boolean algebra and other minimization technique for the digital circuit design. Yeah, so in this technique we learn the K-map, Karnaugh map, and second method is the tabular method. So maybe that will be your chapter number 3. Yes. Third, identify, formulate, and solve problem based on combinational and sequential circuit. So in the digital electronics, there are 2 types of circuit. One is the sequential, and second one is the combinational. Now, what is the combinational? What is the sequential? Every circuit has an input and output. In combinational circuit is not depending on the previous input. That is combinational. And combinational is not containing any type of the memory. Means remembering part is missing. That is combinational. In sequential input is depend on the previous input. Means sequential is containing the memory part. So if any remembering component is present, that is sequential. So in combinational, there is adder, subtractor, multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder, decoder. Those are the combinational. In sequential, different type of the flip-flop, SR flip-flop, T flip-flop, D flip-flop, even more latches, counters. Those are the sequential parts. Fourth one, select the appropriate hardware and software tools for the combinational and sequential circuit design. So actually, I divided this subject in 3 parts. One is the theory part, second is the practical task, which can be performed on the toolkit. Third is the software part. So in this subject, we learn the 4 software. First is the MATLAB. Second is proxy sim. Third is the multisim, and fourth is the Quartus. So using 4 software, we will simulate the many projects in the digital electronics. Fifth, design various counters. So counters is generally used for the counting purpose. So just guess that there is a one Pepsi Cola company. Everyday production is very huge. They want to count the number of pieces. What is the production of per day? Suppose that every day they are producing 10,000 Pepsi Cola. So you just need to place the counter. Counter will count how many Pepsi Cola is produced per day. So we learn the various counters like up down counter, Johnson counter, Ripple counter, BCD counters. So fifth one is the counter. Sixth, verify the function of various digital integrated circuit. So this is bit logic families like TTL, ECL, and yeah, 6 and 7 is the I think almost combined. Evaluate the specification of the logic families. In this part, we'll learn the TTL means transistor logic, ECL encoded logic. Then after CMOS technology, MOSFET technology, JFET technology, I think it is already part of the BEE, but we'll see in the digital part. 8-1, create a course project using digital integrated circuit. So after finishing this subject, you can able to build a small project. So up to that part, you people are clear. What will be the outcome of this part? Yes, one request that, sir, can you repeat what is the sequential and what is the combination? Actually, this is our chapter number 5, but you can consider simple. Combinational as a no memory part. Sequential as a memory. That's all. Means combinational circuit is not containing any type of memory. Means remembering part is missing. While in sequential, flip-flop, latch, and after counter, registers that are containing the memory. Means sequential circuit is a memory part. This is the clear cut difference. Fine. Prerequisite, of course, you just need the basic knowledge of the science and mathematics, because you people already studies science and mathematics as well as the physics in 11-12 science, as well as your maths is already covered in same one of the engineering. So if your maths is really strong, definitely it will help you in the digital electronics, because starting from chapter 1, 2, and 3, that are the most of the mathematics part. So if your maths is really strong, definitely it will help you to calculate the sums like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and too many things like conversion. Now, teaching and examination scheme. So we'll take place this subject as a department level. You don't need to give the mid-semester examination or final examination. We will cover up by the department level 1 exam, department level 2 exam, as well as I will publish some the worksheet. So in the consecutive sessions, I will let you know what will be the worksheet, what will be the session, and everything like that. But we have a total 5 hours, 3 hours for the theory and 2 hours for the laboratory sessions. In the laboratory sessions, we will perform the simulation, practical, hardware toolkit, and too many things. So total in the week, we'll get the 5 hours of the teaching scheme. Credit is 4. Now, anyone have an idea in the engineering how many total marks to pass this subject? What will be the maximum marks to achieve the best assessment of this subject? Can anyone tell me what will be the maximum mark to calculate the assessment in the engineering? Any subject. It may be DE, BEE, AP, anything like that. Okay, fine. In the 11-12 science, that is 100 mark, but in engineering, that is 150. First, end semester examination, it will be department 1 and department 2. Department 1 is something like that 50 marks paper, department 2 is 50 marks paper. We will do the average of that subject. Suppose that in department 1 you are gaining 40 marks, in department 2 you are gaining 42 marks. So we'll average it 40 plus 42 and divided by 2, that is 41. So in the ESC part, we'll take the department 1 and department 2. Actually, I means the mid-semester examination, but in this subject, you don't have the mid-semester exam. So we'll cover up the worksheet. So I will give you active learning task. I will show you the what will be the worksheet in the next session. So that is your Second, CSE. In the CSE, we'll place the quizzes. You people have already idea what will be the quiz. So we'll put the multiple quizzes, and I will total up out of 20, and it will be your CSE marks. Then after Viva, that is 25. So I will ask the oral question based on the digital electronics, that is from 25. You can gain the 25 out of 25 if your answer, all the answer is right. Then last one is the term work. In the term work, we'll develop the circuit, your class note, your class manual, everything will I will count up. And if I sum the all the marks, like 50 plus 30 plus 20 plus 25 plus 25, that is 150. So out of 150, you need to gain up the maximum marks. Now teaching and examination scheme is clear for everyone. Still, I will give you the detailed introduction about the teacher scheme within a week, because till now we are deciding the final teaching scheme. After the deciding the final material, definitely I will tell you what will be the final teaching scheme. But that is fixed out of 150. Yeah, where are make a class note? Okay, confusing. So you can bring one fair note from any stationery, like 200 pages note. You just need to bring a blank pages book, and you can divide the part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is the theory, starting from 1 to 100 pages, and part 2 from 101 to 200. So first 100 pages for the theory part, and second 100 pages for the laboratory session. Now, chapter 1 is the number system. So I already discussed various type of number system like binary, then after octal, hexadecimal, decimal. So you just need to convert. But we'll start with the what is the analog electronics and what is the digital electronics. So chapter 1 is totally based on the number system and codes. Chapter 2, digital arithmetic. After learning the whole number system like binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal, we'll perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of each and every number system. Actually, in syllabus, you have the binary addition, binary subtraction, binary division, and binary multiplication. But in the GATE examination, if any people is preparing for the GATE, they can ask you the octal multiplication, hexadecimal division, decimal subtraction. So I will not ask in this paper, but it may help you for the GATE preparation. So we will not only do the MU exam preparation, meanwhile we also do the GATE preparation during the teaching assessment. Okay, but I will never ask you in this examination. Only I will ask the binary part of the addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Third one, logic gates and relevant devices like AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Even more, gates are classified as schemate gates, special output gates, fan out logic gates, buffer, trans receivers. So we'll cover up the logic gates part in the chapter number 3. Chapter 4 is based on your analog electronics, because I think you people are studies the CMOS technology, MOSFET, JFET, negative MOS, positive MOS, then after TTL, transistor logic, ECL, integrated logic. So we'll cover up. Actually, we are converting analog to the digital. So I will let you know how to convert the analogic devices into digital logic. Chapter 5 is really interesting. If your maths is strong and your graphical technique is good, chapter 5 will be going to be very easy. That is based on the various theorems, various types of the Boolean expression, simplification of various techniques like K-map, Karnaugh map. Karnaugh was one of the well-known scientists in Europe, and second method is the tabulation method. Actually, we are doing the simplification of any Boolean expression. And last chapter number, total 7 chapter number, total 8. Chapter number 6 is the combinational, and chapter 7 is the sequential. Combinational means memory-less part. Adder, subtractor, multiplexer, demultiplexer, coder, encoder. That is your chapter 6. Chapter 7 is the sequential. That is your memory containing part. That is various kind of the flip-flops. That is D flip-flop, RS, SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, T flip-flop, D flip-flop. Then after we'll cover up the latch. Then after various counters like ripple, synchronize, modulus, binary, up-down counter, decade, BCD counter. presetal counter, decoding counter, cascading counter, and then after various kind of the register like parallel shift, serial shift, IEEE shift register. All the part will cover up in chapter 7. Chapter number 8 is very easy. I think you people already know about it. That is PROM, various kind of memories like random access memory, read-only memory, double EPROM, triple EPROM. So chapter number is very easy for the computer students. So that's all for the syllabus part. Next, reference book. First is I think Anil K. Mayani, David J. Corner, Maurice Menu is really good for the D. Then after Malvin Leach. But these all the books are a bit difficult. I will recommend one simple book, that is Fundamentals of Digital Electronic Circuit by the Anand Kumar. Write down the name, Fundamentals of the Digital Electronic Circuit. Author is Anand Kumar. It is available in Marwadi library. You don't need to purchase. Even more, I have a soft copy. So today I will share the soft copy of the full book with you in the group. So you don't need to purchase this book. And language is very simple. Suppose that you are not attending some lectures mine, then you can just read and it will help you to gain the knowledge. So write down the just name, Fundamentals of Digital Electronic Circuit. Author is Anand Kumar. So this is your reference books. Then you don't need to go in the what is the remember part. It's for the professor section. Yeah. So we are doing the based on the remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. Based on that, we are setting your paper because we need to very careful using this terminology, because sometimes paper will become the hard, sometimes it will become easy. So this is not really good distribution. If I want to make the good distribution, I will analyze the remember part is 15%, understand part is 20, apply is 30 part, analyze 20, and evaluate is 10%. And sometimes they will ask 5% from the create part. Now suggested list of experiment. You don't need to go in this part. First of all, we will do the practical from the logic gates, that or not, NAND nor. So using that, we will use the multisim and quarters for the designing of various logic gates. Even more, at the MU, we have a toolkit of every logic gates. So I will provide you each gate IC. Using IC, you need to develop the logic and you need to perform and need to get the result of the truth table. Second part is for the sequential circuit. That is, you need to design the circuit of flip-flop, latch, counter, and after registers. Third part is, I think, from the combinational side. So you need to design and simulate the adder, subtractor, multiplexer, demultiplexer, and after encoder, decoder, multiplier. So all are the practicals from the three part. Then after fourth part is very easy. That is from the memory side. You just need to design the memory circuit. So all the 10 practicals are from the majorly 4 side. Now, anyone have any question relevant to the digital electronics? You can ask me. Don't hesitate. Any single question. Okay. Let me share one more slide. Definitely, I will upload all the relevant content within 24 hours, because I am right now delivering 4 to 5 subjects in different branches. So sometimes it will take time, but just wait for 24 hours. Within a 24 hours, definitely you will get my lecture link, any materials. So just take a bit patience. Okay, so I said one terminology, the name is worksheet. So let me show you how is it looking like. Just a minute. I will upload, I think, everywhere. Suppose that we will create the canvas for this subject because this is the department level subject. So you can get the material in canvas as well. You can get the material in your WhatsApp group as well as I will upload in the MU app. So you, as well as sometimes also I will share the materials in the email as well. So don't need to worry. You can find the material everywhere. MU app, canvas, groups. Right. Now, can you able to see this file, session 1? Yeah, great. So first question, every session has a some marks. Suppose that this is session 1. Session 1 will, I think, contain 10 marks. First question, identify the possible number system for given numbers. So actually we are studying for number system. So you just need to write about the what is the binary number system. Actually, this is our next session topic, but I am just clearing you what is the worksheet. I will share the PDF file for the worksheet. You just need to fill. So for that's why you are making the class note. Fair. So for in first question, you will write about the binary number system, and after you will write about the octal number system, hexadecimal number system, and decimal number system. So first question is very easy. Now, one table is given here. In the left hand side, some numbers are totally mixed. Some are binary, some are octal, some are hexadecimal, some are decimal. You just need to tick mark which one is this number. Suppose that first number 1011001. So this number is only containing 2 digits, 1 and 0, 1 and 0, 1 and 0. That is binary. So you need to tick mark in the binary section. First task is finished. Now second number, just check the number limit 2, 5, 6, 2. So number is repeating and number last digit is up to 6. So 6 is containing up to the octal number system. Octal number system is starting from 0 and goes up to 7. So you can see here there is no maximum number above 7. So 25662 is your octal number. Then after 785692. So this number system is decimal. Why? Because decimal numbers is containing number from 0 to 9. There is no number more than 9. So there is 785692. That is your decimal number system. So just tick mark in the decimal. Now fourth one, 01 EC 0102. That is your subject code. This number system is containing some alphabetical part. So whenever you see the alphabets, that is your hexadecimal. Never forget, students, જ્યારે પણ તમને alphabets જોવા મળે ધડામ દઈને કહી દેવાનું that is my hexadecimal. So 01 EC 0102 years hexadecimal. Then after 10935, so maximum number is 9. 9 is covered up by the decimal. So 0 to 9, that is decimal number system. Again 1666, maximum number is 6. So our octal number system goes up to 7. So 0 to 7, all the number is included. So 166 is your octal number. And after 10 AC, AC is means alphabetics, that means hexadecimal. Then after 235690, 9 is here. So 0 to 9, that is decimal. 92766, 9 is here. That's why 0 to 9 decimal system. 77825, again 8 is here. So again that is decimal. So you just need to fill the set. Some worksheet is already given here that you just need to tick mark. But in the worksheet, some question is a bit longer. So in that part, you need to write up, scan the pages, and upload in the canvas. Now clear? Any doubt? I am here to help you. Don't hesitate. એક પણ વાત નથી સમજાતી, you can ask me. I will stop it there. Great, so nice. Now second question. First question is completed. Write first 25 numbers of all number system: decimal, octal, hexadecimal, binary. So these are the example is already given here. 101101 is one kind of example. Suppose that you want to write another binary number, so 0101. Third binary number 10101010. Fourth binary number 1011 0 1 1 1 આવી પેટર્ન તમે ડિફરન્શિએટ કરી શકો. Just change the pattern in 1 0, that is your binary. Octal number example is already given here, 256662, but you need to write the total 25 example. So you can write the digits up to the maximum 7. The digit must be lie between 0 to 7, that is your octal, right? Then after the decimal, digit must be lie between 0 to 9. You can write any numericals, but digit is fixed, that is 0 to 9. So last example, 777,829, then after 92766, 235690, but you need to write the total 25 example. Then after hexadecimal, so one example is here, 01 is 1012. In the hexadecimal system, we are adding the alphanumerical value, means we are adding the alphabets. So whenever you write the alphabets in any number, that will become the hexadecimal. But last alphabet is the F, because we are starting from A, goes to B, C, D, E, and last digit is F. So that will become your hexadecimal. Atlu karo, that is your session 1. You are familiar with the binary, octal, hexadecimal, decimal, and total various kind of the examples of the various number systems. Second question clear, everyone? Yes
Sir.
or no? Yeah, tell me.
એટલે સર આ બીજામાં દાખલા તરીકે બાઇનરી ના 25 એક્ઝામ્પલ, ડેસિમલ ના 25 એક્ઝામ્પલ એવી રીતે લખવાના છે ને અલગ અલગ ના 25.
Yes, yes. So suppose that one example is here. Suppose that binary example is here, this one, 10110001. You just need to change pattern. Here I am changing, like I am writing 101. This is second example. Third example is something like sorry, this one. Okay. Fourth example is something looking like this one. Okay. Fifth example is something looking like something like that. This is your fifth example. So up to you need to cover total 25. 25 for the octal, 25 for the decimal, 25 for the hexadecimal, and 25 for the binary.
Okay,
right?
okay.
So question 1 containing 5 marks, question 2 containing 5 marks, total 10 marks. So I will share this worksheet. Can you able to solve this now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will give you enough time. You can upload within a week, because in every session we will cover up each worksheet. એક સેશનમાં એક વર્કશીટ થશે, બરોબર છે? તો વીક પૂરું થાય, નેક્સ્ટ સન્ડે સુધી તમે અપલોડ કરી શકો. આપણે ઇનફ ટાઈમ આપશો, બરોબર છે? સેશન 1 છે, right now I am giving you session 1, but you can upload within this week, so you can get the enough time. Now fine. Not any. You need to write 25 example for binary, 25 example for octal, 25 example for hexadecimal, and 25 for the decimal. Sure, definitely I will upload the word file. So that's all from my side. If you have any question, then you can stay here. Otherwise, thank you so much for attending. In next, I think Thursday we have another session, so we'll cover the continuous part in Thursday. So thank you for attending. If you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave the session by writing your attendance in the chat box. Yeah, really thank you. Yeah, you can leave the session. No need to worry. Just write your attendance here and leave the session.
સર
Yeah, tell me.
નોટ્સમાં લખવાનું છે કે તો વર્ડ ફાઇલમાં વર્ડ ફાઇલમાં કરીને કરવાનું છે?
You can also do in the word file. You are comfortable with the word file, then fine. But in some sessions, word file will not work, because some questions are the writing based. So in the writing based question, you need to write on the notebook, and you need to just scan the pages and upload it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So you have both choice. If you want to do in the word file, that is also fine, but convert into PDF. And if you don't want to do in the word file, then write on the paper and scan the pages and upload it. So I am ending the session here. So before ending session, you can write your number in the chat box so I can cover up the attendance part. You can leave the session.